Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make your images glow in Canva using a simple glow effect that really makes your photos pop. Whether you want to create eye-catching social media posts, spice up your thumbnails, or just add that professional touch to your designs, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a stunning glowing effect on any image in just a few steps. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva in your browser. Don't worry if you're new to Canva, it's user-friendly and perfect for all experience levels. Once you're in, look for the big Inviting Create button, usually at the top right of your dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Instead of choosing a template right away, this time we're going to work directly with an image, so make sure to select the Photo Editor option from the choices that appear. The Photo Editor is great because it gives you access to precise image-focused tools, separate from the regular design templates. Now you'll see a search bar, and this is where the fun starts. Type photo to browse Canva's library of images, or you could upload your own if you have a specific picture in mind. For this example, I'll just type photo and select one of Canva's images for a quick demonstration. Once your image is loaded and you're looking at it on your screen, pause for a moment and think about which part of that photo you want to highlight. Maybe it's a person's face, an object, or something in the background that you want to make stand out. Click directly on that element. Sometimes, depending on the image, you may need to detach or crop out the element you want if it's not separate already. But for most photos, a simple click does the trick. After you've selected your element, look towards the upper left side of the screen for the Edit button. Give that a click, and you'll notice a range of editing tools spring up along the left side of Canva's editor. This is where we do all the magic. In the sidebar, scroll down and find the section labeled Shadows. Shadows can add depth and character, but today we're focusing on that brilliant glow option. Click on Glow and you'll see new customizable controls open up. Here, where you start dialing in that glowing look. To maximize the effect, crank the size all the way up to 100. What this does is increase the radius of the glow, making it much more pronounced around your chosen element. Next, bring the blur setting down to 0. You might wonder why setting blur to 0 keeps the edges of your glow crisp and defined, which makes it stand out more sharply rather than looking soft or faded. Then, take the intensity slider and bump that all the way up to 100 as well. High intensity means your glow will be bright and attention-grabbing, perfect for drawing the viewer's eye. Now here's a little creative tip. You can change the color of the glow to fit your style or the mood of your project. Maybe a cool blue for a tech vibe or a warm gold for something more elegant. Just experiment with the color tool until you find the shade that makes your image really pop. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Sometimes creativity is all about playing around until it just feels right. And that's it. You've just added a sleek and effective glow effect to your image using Canva's built-in tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you want to see more effects like this in a future video. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Canva tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.